Hello Virgo, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your weekly prediction from 17th August to 23rd August 2020. Let me remind you, these are general predictions. Take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. For personalized readings, please reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Virgo, looking at your weekly energies, you've got the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Cups. So there are definitely new beginnings that are coming your way. You need to open up yourself to unconditional love. You need to have you will be getting a new project, or you might get something. You might turn a hobby into profession. There is definitely a lot of new things happening for you this week, something that will make you extremely happy in the head and in the heart, and these things will leave a deeper impact on you in the long run. On the love front, we've got 2 of Cups and 3 of Cups. Again, we've got amazing cards for you in terms of relationships. You could be in love with someone, or you could be connecting with someone on a very soul level, heart-to-heart conversations and a lot of celebrations. You might even decide to get married or engaged to this person. All looks good in the hood when it comes to love for you, Virgo. On your career front, we've got Knight of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles, so adventure. So Knight of Pentacles indicates that you need to keep the rapport going. You need to continue doing what you're doing, and success is very close by. These are definite new beginnings that you're engaged into, and you might even have to learn or upskill yourself in terms of carrying out this work in a more organized manner. Now, this looks very promising, but the only point is to be very consistent and take it ahead the way you are currently. On your health front, I can see some issues with your gallbladder and your lower abdomen and your spleen. I don't think it's extremely major, but it's just because of your emotions, and it's something to do with your thinking, with the way you've trained your mind and your body. So once, if you sort of rejuvenate in terms of what you want, either you're too nervous about whatever is happening in your life, or you're very anxious, and that is the reason why this is causing a lot of lower abdomen issues or something to do with your gallbladder. Except for this, you've got 2 aces, which could indicate trickery. So you need to be a little careful with what you talk to, who you talk to, and who is the person you sort of share your secrets with, because not everybody has the right intentions for you, Virgo, and this has to be something that you really take care of. Looking at some of the advices we have for you is release your ex. The time has come to clear your energies. So unless you don't sort of clear your energies, you won't be able to have this 2 of Cups and the celebration. You need to let go. You need to be mentally free from whatever baggage you've had in the past. And you need to, someone is definitely offering you their cup of love, and they're very scared in terms of, will you say yes, will you say no? And I feel that you should totally take this option, because this is someone who you can actually connect on a lot of levels, Virgo. So please do take this opportunity, and do give your relationship, your love life, a chance. An advice from Archangel Gabriel would be, listen to your vulnerable feelings as they contain wisdom and inspiration, and then pray for strength to focus on your priorities no matter what. Just for you, I would like to pull out another card from this deck. Let's see what it has to add to the reading. Virgo, 17th to 23rd August 2020. Within the next few months, Virgo, what is it that you're waiting for within the next few months? Choose a new direction. I think got to do a lot with work. And Virgo, this is your weekly predictions. If you resonate with this, please write to me in the comment section below. And until I do the next reading, stay home, stay safe, share Ruhani Guidance, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.